everybody. Here I am live to see all of you all over here. Wow, I can see so many of them. Yes, this is so nice. Yes. We still have 2 minutes to go. I want to see who all are there. Wow, this is so nice. So good. That's really nice. So, let me start my session. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Leena Thawani from Healings from Within. And as you all know, today is 15th August and it's our 75th Independence Day. So how can we forget our freedom fighters who have laid down their life, and that's the reason we all are here. So don't you think we should have some josh today? So let me see some hearts going up for our 75th Independence Day. Come on guys, I want to see some hearts going up. That's so nice. That's really nice. I really want to see some nice hearts. Okay, I can see people. Wow. Swagat, Bharat. That's so nice. That's really nice. Rutu. That's so cute. Wow, so all are excited about Independence Day, yeah? That's really nice. Wow, this is so good, yeah. This gives me more energy, when I see so many hearts going up. It's such a good feeling, yeah. That's so good. That's really nice. Bharadwaj, thank you so much for joining me, yeah. Thanks a lot. That's really nice. Thank you, Swagat, for wishing me Independence Day. Thanks a lot. Okay, since we all are here and you all are so excited about Independence Day, let us give us our small kind of a appreciation to our national anthem. Okay, so guys, wherever you are, let us give some respect to our national anthem. I'll be playing our national anthem, which is just for 1 minute. We deserve that, right? Being an Independence Day, we have to do that. So it's just 1 minute, and I want you all to please stand up wherever you are and give respect to our national anthem. Okay, so I'm going to play my national anthem, and I'm going to be the first one to stand. So I'm going to play my national anthem. Here we go. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Wow, I'm so happy. Yeah. At least you could do this. Nothing, at least we can pay some respect to our Independence Day. So nice to see y'all, yeah. So good. So I'll be starting my tarot session very soon, and I just wanted to make few things very clear. I have written few of the tarot readings because I had got almost 250 questions. Now you imagine I cannot just keep on going live, right? So what I did for y'all is I wrote your questions, and I did my tarot reading and have kept it for me. Now I'm going to tell you all each and everyone so that I'm not wasting your time. Now some people have been asking me that why is this, why you're not giving us now, and it's, you all should understand that even I go through so much pain. I look out for your questions, I genuinely remove the questions, and I find the answers. I really take pain, so that I make sure I give you all my accurate reading. So here I am today, and I'm going to start with my reading today. I'm not going to waste time. I'll be going very fast so that I know some people were saying it may get boring, but What can I do about it? Tell me. If you all are sending me questions, I need to answer them, right? So it's going to be live now at 11:30, which is already there. And whatever sessions I don't happen to complete now, I'll be coming live at 5 o'clock also. And I will be giving it on my story for whom I'm going to, I will be giving my names, whoever reading is pending. So I think that I don't need to do, right? When whoever name has not come, most of them I've already sent them, because some people had some lengthy questions and they were really very, like, I didn't want it to disclose it on live. So for some people I've already given their answers. So whoever is there today, I'm going to give their answer, and none of y'all are going to be disappointed. As you all know, I always keep my promise. So I'm going to start with my reading now. So here I go. Give me 1 minute. Okay, the first question is from Daisy Hiramani. Her question is that 2021 में हिरानी और उसकी फैमिली की तरफ से शादी की प्रपोजल आएगी. So Hirani, Daisy, the cards which had come was swords. So according to the cards, they are waiting for some kind of clarity. So maybe there is some kind of clarity which they need, which your family needs to give it to them. And definitely by around spring, that is 2022, you may find something nice, approximately between March and May. Thank you. My next question was from Purvik. What does Purvik like about Sanaya, even after separations? So, Sanaya, what does Purvik like about you? So, Purvik thinks Sanaya is disciplined, self-controlled, and with good determination. He also thinks some male elderly person with good family, with good financial, may able to help him out in his future business, or maybe, try to support him out in his, a kind of a support he may be looking from some of your family people who is an elderly male structure. Okay, so now my third question is from Chandrani Chatterjee. When shall I get promotion in my job? Chandrani, your cards have wands and pentacles. So wands are always a faster moving energies and results are very fast. So by 2022 for sure, autumn around June to August, you may positively get some good news, because your cards were really positive. You had cards, you had wands, and you had swords, so they had to go nice. Now Shraddha Paswan, will my ex-partner will come back to my life? So your cards were cups and pentacle, which is definitely a slow cards. So, but it doesn't mean that cups is there, so you may not get. Cards were a little positive also. So let me tell you, the basic reading what I got from your cards was definitely yes. Answer: as a cup signifies reunion, you may have some childhood friends or relatives who may help you to proceed further. So very soon it may happen. Paswan will be very cooperative with you in that case. Guys, whoever are putting in the live questions, you can start giving me your live questions. I'll be taking live questions in the evening. I just want to make it clear, because what happens, I already have got questions from people who wanted the answer. So the few ones, I'll see in between if I can take some of the live questions over here also. Okay? Purnima Baj, she says, Rajput will marry me. Will Rajput marry me? He may take time, but cards are positive. Bipasha, Rahil's question, what he feels for me. What does he feel for you? Bipasha, your question is that, right? What does he feel for you? He has a good and a positive feeling. I can see the cards as celebration. So definitely it's a good card. Okay, here what do I see? Other sent a request to you for... I'm reading your comments also, ma'am. Who can I get a good... when can I get a satisfying job? Wishes, can you just mail me, WhatsApp me your question? I have given it in my story. My number is 7400181356. So you can just mail me that question. 100% I'm going to get back to you. I will tell your question live Venat at 5. Okay. Now, Shubham Verma. I just want to know his feelings for me. Do we have future together? Answer. He has a good feeling for you and things looks good. Spurti, how is my career life going to be? Okay, will teammates support me? Spurti, your cards were very positive. Your career is superb. All positive cards you have won, which means very soon you may get good offers, and maybe till May your teammates will be good and supporting to you. I hope I'm trying to, you all are understanding to whoever answers I'm giving. So don't worry, I'm reading the questions so that, ma'am, what it is, ma'am, I have my questions on your number. Okay, don't worry, I'm definitely, in case if you don't complete, then I will make sure that I will ask you personally and I'll give you answer. Okay? Okay, now Kalyani, my question is, person whom I love, will I get back with him forever? It looks very difficult, Kalyani, for now, but it has influence of an elderly male person. If he is convinced, then things can change. So you basically will have to convince a male person in his side. Okay? Jyoti has asked the question, when will my second marriage happen? Jyoti, you will need to wait for some time, maybe by 2022. You may get some proposals. Try not to ignore them. Okay, now Sonal Gathani, I hope you are there. Sonal and Rohit, if get separate from Rohit's parents, then marriage life will work best. Okay, you mean to say that if you are separated from your parents, will your marriage life go good, right? This is what I understood from your question. Yes, dear, your card says you have good life if you both are independent, but if you separate with their consent, you'll be much more happier. Obviously, yeah. Name is Alka Bansal. When will I meet my life partner tomorrow? Tell me frame in month. Okay, so time frame I can tell you, Alka, is around 2021 end. When will I meet my future spouse? Priyanka Singla. Okay, Priyanka, you will meet your future and you'll meet your future and it will be good and fast. Like maybe around 2022 beginning, you can definitely get something positive. My name is Amandeep Kaur. Will I get visa approval on 23rd August? Amarjit, I would really want you to update me on this. When I read your card says yes. All your cards were so positive. It was warned, so those are the fast moving energies. So I'm sure it should be yes. And you have to update me on this, Amarjit. Okay, Sweta Joshi, you have sent me the documents and you had a numerology question saying that, do you need to change your spelling? So, and you had two words. One was SWETA and one was SWETA. So, let me tell you both the names, whichever you're using, maybe, Sweta or Sweta. It's not going to, in fact, both the name spelling, luckily, it falls under proper thing. So, I don't think so you have got name spelling correction to be done anywhere. And delay in marriage, I think you'll have to wait for some time, darling. I can see some cards, but maybe, by some time, so you definitely need to wait. I don't see your marriage cards as such. Okay, hi. Which is this one? Khushi Mehta. Vatsal, I'm sure you must be there. Yes, I got your question, and let me tell you that again your reading has come same. You need to wait till 2023, and maybe till then the Khushi Mehta is still confident. So till that time, concentrate on your studies. Okay, even if you're planning to go abroad, you should go with the positive. You're still too young to get into other details, so I think you wait for some time, maybe till 2023. I see really positive cards for you, Vatsal. Bye. Sweta Insta. My name is Mohit Kochar. I like a girl named Damini Kakkar. She is currently facing some issues and you wanted me to know whether you're going to get along or not. So, Mohit, your card says that I think Damni needs some time. She definitely needs time to come over everything, and once the things are sorted out, she herself will take an initiative to decide whether she should or not. Hi, Divanshi, you're here. I'm so glad to see you. Wow. I can see your question here, but I already have some questions, and that's the reason I had asked if you all will mail me the questions. It becomes so much easier for me. But let me give this reading for Sweta, for Divanshi. She says, will the relationship sort out and convert into marriage? Time frame. Okay. Okay, Divanshi, I will read a card for you. 1 second, guys. You all may be thinking, madam ने तो ऐसे ही आंसर लिख दिया है. So let me give Divanshi's. When will my relationship sort out and convert into marriage? Divanshi, your cards are okay. I don't see anything positive till 21, 22, but 23 looks like it's really, really going to be good, irrespective whoever you get married. But there are very positive card for you in 2023. This is what time frame I can give you, you know. But your 2021 and 22, it's same thing, like differences of opinion, convincing people, convincing your in-laws, or maybe the guy needs more time to talk to his parents. So I think, Divanshi, you need to wait. Okay, so I've done the reading for you, Divanshi. Now I'll be taking some live readings also. I don't want the person who have come live to get disappointed with me. Okay, so I've taken 6 over here. Okay. Ma'am, will you save the live? Yes, I am going to save the live, darling. So you can always go and see it. I'm also going to be posting it on YouTube. So since there are no questions, let me. Okay, Chetna Agarwal's question was, my partner and I are in separations, and his name is Ayush. So if I don't call or text him, will he text me on his own? Chetna, your cards were good, I think, but you will have to take the initiative to call him or to, text him. Maybe the things will fall better if you text him. You will get better response if you're going to wait for him to do it. So I don't see anything positive card. That time when I had removed, we had sword and we had cup. So that cup is basically a slow moving energy. So I think you'll have to wait. Okay, now who's this? Let me read. This is Achal. I have taken your question. Vinny. Okay. Vinny, will Mehul confess his feelings? Okay. Vinny, will Mehul confess his feeling? Okay, Vinny, I'm reading for you. Maybe 2022 he will be in a better position to decide whether he should be getting into any kind of relationship or positivity. So I think 2022 will be the right time when he will definitely let you know whether he really has any kind of interest in you. Okay? Okay. Then we have Mind Talks, Ankita Mishra. Ma'am, can I have the answer? Oh God, her answer is gone on top. Okay, Sujata's answer is also gone on It's scrolling so fast. Shakshi Minkori, will I meet? Yes. 1 second. No, I think I should go on with this. Jasprit, I have got your answer already, so I'll be giving it to you. Jasprit, you had asked me about the Canada thing, and your cards were very positive. So I think probably your cards are yes. So you can definitely go for it. Surichi, ma'am, can you send me answer on WhatsApp? Okay, done, Surichi. I will write it down and I will send you answer on WhatsApp. Okay. So now my next question was from Kanchan. Kanchan Khurana. I hope you are here. So your question was related to Bollywood career and name change correction. I went through your numerology reading also, and according to me, you definitely need to do your name change in case you want to grow in your careers, because numerology always helps you when you're doing your name correction. So I have found three letters, but that is, you can add anywhere A, K, that is good. But if you can add an N, I know it's a difficult alphabet, but if you add an N to your name, that is Kanchan. If you add an N to it, definitely I can see prosperity is going to be there. You may have had some kind of an opportunity in 2020 or 21 which you must have ignored, but don't worry. The cards are very positive. If at all, just in case, they are so positive that even if there is no Bollywood, but there are very good positivity cards. So keep your fingers crossed and work best. Whatever you are good at, you will be, they will select you for that. Saloni, my husband's name is Naresh, ma'am. मेरा divorce कब तक होगा? You need to wait, because till 2022 tak, Saloni, I cannot see anything happening. Ankita, do you do numerology for name? Yes, I do numerology for name also. You can send me your name on my WhatsApp and I will do the correction and I will send it to you. I am a numerologist. I am a tarot reader. I have done many kind of healings. Like, I basically do all these things, I have a reason to do it. I don't have to say it here, but I have a reason to do it and I like to do it. And why do you think I'm giving you all so many free readings? And I have started something new. Like, I'm trying to get into YouTube. I'm trying to trying to post. I've asked most of you all to please give whatever subscription or light you can give me, because as you all know, the rules 1,000 likes and 4,000 hours. So that's the reason, and it's not that I'm giving you free tarot reading that I want you all to just go there. No, if you really feel you should be doing it, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. But I'll be doing it for a good cause. So it's okay. If you all want to do it, you're most welcome to go, and please go on my YouTube thing and like it. So thank you. If at all, I have seen most of the likes over there. Thank you to everybody for supporting me in that way. So it will really help me to help so many of them. I'm basically a philanthropist. That means that I am doing all this thing to help senior citizens. And as you all know, every Friday I have got my Reiki sessions. I do it for senior citizens, that is from 10 to 12:30. So in case if you have any kind of issues with your parents, it is absolutely free of cost. If you see, most of my services which I'm giving is more or less, it's like, it's just free. So you can come. Only tarot I have kept it as a paid session, because if I want to do something, if I work for it, I need to be appreciated so that I can help them out. So don't worry, I'm not trying to tell you that you need to pay or you need to get into paid session. Definitely not. If at all you all want to, you're most welcome. But if not, then you all can at least promote me, on my YouTube page. So that becomes easier. Okay? Okay. Ma'am, you come live, then please respond live questions. Okay. Tell me then, what is your question, Deepika? Why did you send me the question then? You send me on WhatsApp, na? Okay. No chemicals. Ma'am, please reading Satya, Mary partner Lala ka. This question I already have this thing. No chemicals. I have these questions with me, and I've already done your reading, and I'll be sending and I'll be posting all these videos on YouTube. So you all can, in case whichever questions I've got on WhatsApp, I have done each and every reading, and I will be posting it on YouTube. So, it's not that if you're not going to get an answer over here, you are like, I am not going to answer you. You can always go check out the video. I'm going to be posting it on YouTube, and I'm going to be saving it here also. So please don't worry about it. Okay. If he really is one for me, mind talk. But you need to give me your name and other detail. How do you expect me to find out? Ashish Kumar Oja. Ashish Kumar, I will do your. I should switch from my recent company. Okay, Ashish Kumar, I'll do a reading for you. 1 second. Yes, Ashish, you definitely need a switch. You are like, your cards have come this sword cards. If you can see, this cards shows that it's rough water, and if you leave this job, you will be going through a smoother water. You'll be having many other options. You can see as there are cups over here. You will be having options over there, and you are really going to do good in if at all you switch your job, because this is cup and this has got 10 of cups, so definitely a positive card. So you can definitely go for it, Ashish. Okay, now I'll be taking few of the live sessions now. Okay. My divine masculine feeling. Okay, now who's this? I can read the question. Ashish Kumar. Thanks a lot, ma'am. You're most welcome. You're most welcome, Ashish. Guys, I'm going to answer live questions now. You can ask me. You're all telling me I'm not giving you live questions. Come on, shoot. Sweta, I will get a job within 2021 December. Okay, Sweta. I will answer your question. Yes, Sweta. I love your picture. Will you get a job in 2021? Yes. Your card is wand, which is 100% yes. So you can definitely go for it. You will get a positive answer. So you can definitely go. You will get a... Okay. Now which else? Come on guys, shoot up. Now I'm going to give you a live this thing. Because I think you all were thinking I am only answering on the WhatsApp. So I will give you a live question. Shika. Okay, stylish Shika. I'm going to answer to yours now. It's gone on top. Dinkle Joshi, I'm getting a positive vibe from Republic Day parade and youth exchange program. Today is 15th August, Dinkle. I thought you will be there already. You wanted to get into parade, right? Are you getting any positive vibes? Let me see. Dinkle, what is your card saying? Dinkle, your positive vibes may take little longer time. I won't disappoint you, but wait, you will be definitely getting something positive. Daisy, I've already given you answer. I think you were not there. Shivani Pandya, ma'am, please tell me about my career. I'm facing so much hurdles there. Okay. 1 second, Shivani. I will tell you your answer. That is, ma'am, please tell me my career. I'm facing so much hurdles. 1 second, Shivani. I'm giving you answer. Yes. Shivani, you are facing, that is definitely there. I can see this card which shows that you are definitely right, that you may be going through hurdles, but I think very soon you are going to get something very positive news. Maybe whatever you worked for, whatever you wanted to do, you may be getting some good news related to that. So don't lose hope, Shivani. Okay? Definitely I can see positive cards. Okay? Okay. Tell me, whoever is live, I can give you questions. I can answer to your questions. One second, huh? Ankita, you're asking me my divine masculine feeling towards me. Masculine feeling towards me. I'm really confused. Please help. Ankita, I'm trying to answer your question here. One second. See your cards. Definitely positive. If you are in any kind of relationship, this shows the reunion card. This 2 of cup is all, 10 of cup is always a good card. So definitely he is very positive about you. So you can go for it. Now mind talk. Ma'am, please, I am eagerly waiting for your answer. Okay. Ria, will Ashish come back to Taran? Okay. Agarwal, I am giving you answer. Will Ashish come back to Taran? Let me see. Around 2022, I see your positive card. Maybe you, in case if he is not taking initiative, you take. But definitely positive cards. So if he's not taking, you take the initiative and things will work out better. Okay. Okay. Then who else? Namita Sharma. Namita Sharma, Career Guardians. Okay, Namita Sharma. Let me see your card. What does it say? You are going to be getting some news very, very, very fast, because you've got card of wand, which is really good, and then your second card is temperance, which says that you will be so many options that you will have to decide whether I should take this or whether I should take that. So definitely your cards are very positive and you will definitely get news very fast. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, Ashwini has just joined. Okay. Now this is Kittu Abhilash. Kittu 3973. Kittu, I'm doing your reading now. I'll be going one after the other. Okay, so please wait. Kittu is saying, does Naresh Matoshra has feelings for me? Okay, let me see. This I think I'll give you in yes and no. Yes, 100% yes, he has a feeling for you. Miracles, Radhima feeling for Vibhanshu. Towards me, marriage possible. Radhima feeling for Vibhanshu. One second, let me see whether Radhima has any feelings for Vibhanshu related to marriage. 2022, I think I see very positive card for you. Vibhanshu, all the best. Okay, ma'am, you're missing my question. I'm sorry, now I won't miss anybody's question. Now I know how to pause a question. Namita Sharma, hello ma'am. Namita, your Career Guardians, please. Okay, let me see what kind of a guardians can I give you regarding your career. You have Namita, your cards are good. It says that whatever you're doing now, what type of career, like whatever you are doing now, like you must have done some kind of studies or something related to career. So that is definitely going to take you much ahead. So wait and watch and wait for something. Maybe there will be some female kind of person who's really going to help you out. So please don't miss out on her guardians. Please make sure you listen to her. Okay. Deepika Tiwari, please ma'am, my question, will Pankaj and I reconcile? Okay, Deepika, I'm reading your cards. Deepika, your cards are good. I think he's waiting for some approval from his, there must be some elderly lady connected. Maybe if she gives approve, then I don't see any delays in your reconciliation. So maybe you have to wait till the time he convinces some female in his family. Okay. Okay, now which else is there? Seth. Seth, unstoppable. I'm reading your question now. When will I meet my future spouse? How's he gonna be? Okay, how's he gonna be? Fine, you're going to meet your spouse, and how's he gonna be? Seth, I'm answering to your question. Well, he's going to be good. I don't see any problems in that. All the best. Now, what is this? Stylish stuff. You're asking me, will Ashwini reconcile to me or not? Shika here. Shika, 1 second. I'll just do your reading. See, I was giving answer, reading all your questions. I have made all your answers. But then you all wanted me to come and give you live only. So now I'm going to give you live only. बिना बात का मुझसे मेहनत कराया. Shika, I don't see any positive card. I really don't see any positive card. I think you'll have to let go the feeling for some time, or maybe wait for some better energies or something to come, because your cards are really not that very great. So I think give it some time, maybe some time, because all 3 cards are very negative. I'm sorry, but I can only say what the cards predict, okay? Garwali Neoni. She wants to know about her love life. Okay. Your love life looks good. Very positive. It will be nice. Now, mind stop. Now, what is this? This is Rahul Kumar. I'm going to read. Please take my question. Waiting for answer from the starting session. Rahul Kumar, I'm so sorry. I really can't see your question here. But I think text me and I'll WhatsApp it to you for sure. Shukla Radhima. When Radhima will get a job? Give guardians 2. Okay. Shukla, I'm taking your answer. What Radhima? When Radhima will get a job? I can see Radhima, your cards, like you must have got option, but I think there is an opportunity in front of you, but I think you're ignoring it, or maybe you can't see those opportunities. So I think you'll have to be a little more alert in case if you see something nice, you should take it. Don't think too much like the pros and cons. If you really feel it's good, just take it. Follow your instinct. Daisy, I've already done your reading. You were the first one. In case you missed out, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Okay? Rahul Kumar, please take my question. Sweta Chandrani, ma'am, YouTube channel link. Definitely, I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Ma'am, my question, please. Tonal, I've already done your question. I'll be sending all your questions. The first part which I've done it, I'm going to send it to you. Okay? What I will do is I'll send all the questions, all the answers, what I've done, I'll WhatsApp it to you all. I think that would be better because you all are thinking I'm not answering to your question. So wait for some more time. Let me see some questions. Well, since there is no question, let me read what you wanted to know. So where were we? Chandrani, we read your thing. Shada Paswan, we read your question. Purnima Baj, we read your thing. Bipasa, my name is Bipasa Rahil, we've already done that. Okay. My name is Spurti. How is my career life going to be? Spurti, you had asked about your career life. That also I have answered to you, I suppose. That you have got a very good career life. Kalyan Katyani, my question is the question whom I love, the person whom I love, will I get back with him forever? It looks very difficult for now, but if it has influence of an elderly male person, if he can convince him, things can change. So it is his thing that he needs to convince a male person in his family. Jyoti, your question was that when will my second marriage happen? Jyoti, you will need to wait for some time, maybe around, like, I can see good cuts of 2022. Maybe you'll get some good proposals, but try not to ignore them at that time. 2022 are very positive cards which I got for you. Sonal Kathani, I am here. Please be here. I've got your question. I can see you on the screen also. What luck. Sonal Kathani, your question was this. If get separate from Rohit's parents, will they marry me? But I've already given this answer, Sonal. I said same. Okay, I'll tell you your answer. Yes, dear. Your card says that you have good life if you both are independent. But if you separate with their consent, you'll be happier. I hope, Sonal, I answered your question. Okay. Alka Bansal, when will I meet my life partner? Time frame in months. If you're asking me specifically in time frame, Alka, because you've told me give me the time frame, it is going to be 2021 end because your cards were really good. Okay, Rahul Kumar, waiting for your answer. I'm going to give it. Okay. Amardit Kaur, I have already given you answer for your visa. Sweta Joshi also, I have given you your answer. Hi ma'am, one small question. Does the girl I have feeling for come back for relationship? Vastal, I have already given you answer. Sweta, Sweta and Star. Sweta, you have asked me, मैं जिससे प्यार करती हूँ वो मुझे कमिटमेंट देगा शादी करेगा, right? Your question is so wrong because the question what you say is sometimes so confusing. I have also WhatsApp you to ask you the details, but you are having all different types of questions. How do you expect me to answer? But your cards, like I really went through it. Maybe you need to wait for some time. Your cards are not at all positive, so you will need to do some kind of meditation or something. Maybe that will help you. Priyanka, sorry was late, so have just returned from work. Have you taken my question? Priyanka, no, I have not taken your question, so you can be online. Sonal, I've already given you an answer. Now this is cool. Prashanshu, ma'am, take my question well. I'm posting since long. Where is your question, cool Prashanshu? Let me see your question. I will answer your question since you're posting from long. Let me just see. Can you post it again? You post me right now, I'll take, because I cannot again go scroll my screen. You just post me the question. I'm waiting for your question. If you are there, you post me now. I'll give you answer. Shakshi, Pichori, okay. I'm waiting for a long time. Mohit Kakkar, Damni, I've given your answer. Chetna Agarwal, I have given your answer. Kanchan, also I've given you answer regarding Bollywood. Satya, your question was, is my crush loving me? Will we get married soon? Satya, this is for you. I'm reading your answer. Yes, he does and can see good results at around 2022 as a very good year for you for good news. So be prepared 2022. Maybe you'll get something positive from him. This question is from Pallavi. My question is, when will I get married to him and how will my love life be? Pallavi, the love life looks good. Marriage cards were of Pentacles, which is slow sign. So it's going to be autumn, around June to August, around 2022. Kulpanshu, I'm waiting for your question. Then you're telling me I'm not answering. Please, post your question. Rajni Vashi. Ma'am, please tell my question. When will I meet my life partner? Okay, Rajni, I'm taking your question now. Panshu, I'm still waiting. If you're there, please send me your question. Rajni, I can see some positive card for you. Listen to a female person in your family. She will not go wrong in guiding you. So please listen to it. No chemicals, I've already given you answer. Mindstock, Ankita, I have a crush on Rudra. I want to know, Ankita, I'm giving your answer. Ankita Mishra, if you're there, I have a crush on Rudra. I want to know his feeling for me. I want to know if something can happen between us ahead. So I'll basically do the reading if anything positive is going to happen to you now. Okay, Ankita? 1 second. The Rudra has got positive feeling for you. 1 second. Yes, I can see very positive cards like 2021. Maybe he's planning some overseas or something. There will be hurdles, but you all are going to come over it. So all the best, Ankita. Trust him. He's a good person. His cards are positive. Okay, Shukla Radina. What is the future of my relationship marriage? Possible with Vibhanshu. Shukla Radhima. Okay, Shukla, I'm seeing your cards. But no, I'm seeing this Shukla Radhimas. रिया मैम प्लीज़ मेरे क्वेश्चन का भी रिप्लाई करो यार, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. प्लीज़ गिव मी सम टाइम. Ma'am, I have my competitive exam on 24th August. I am going to clear it. Swagat, I have already done your thing and I think your answer was positive only. Your name is Swagat. If you all would have written your name, it would have been so much easier for me to go through because I have saved all your answers with your names, what you have given me on WhatsApp. So it becomes so easy. Priyanka. Okay. Purnima, I'm giving your answer. You are there. 1 second. Purnima Patel, when will I get my job and settle in life? Purnima, your answer was, ma'am, please remedy bhi dena. Okay, you want me to give you remedies also. Purnima, you may have good career ahead, say around 2022 end, and you may see positive things coming up for you. Regarding your remedies, you will send. Regarding remedies, I'll send you on WhatsApp. Okay, Hemlata, how and when will I get financially strong? Whatever you're doing currently against all odds, you have to stand strong. Hemlata, your cards are strong. You will see success. Don't give away your positivity because of some people's influence. So please work on it. Concentrate. You will definitely get something positive, and you are going to be financially well. Your cards were very positive. Okay. Okay, now let me ask you all the name. My name is Rajni. Rajni, you are there. Now, whoever is here, if I have the names, I'll read the questions. Rajni, what was your question? Like here, I have got one more Rajni. She's saying regarding government job किस year तक मिल सकती है? You have a card of sword, means slow moving energy. I see good job opportunity in 2023 around December to Feb. Anytime you can get good news. If at all you are the same Rajani, this was your reading. Shakshi Panchori. Shakshi, I have seen your things. Sakshi, you're waiting. Your answer is here. When will I meet my future husband? Answer, listen to the advice of some elderly female in family, hopefully before 2022. I answered you, Shakshi. Now, Babita, you're there. I have a love marriage or arranged marriage. Marriage is seen in your cards. If you have friends or sisters, listen to the advice. They will not misguide you. Babita. Now, Rajni Vanshi. Rajni, what was your question? Because we you know the names Rajni, I have also got a message. So I read that. I will take this as an answer. I will answer this. When will I meet my future partner? Okay, Rajni, I am giving your answer. (2022) end, I can see some positive cards for you. Now I don't see anything positive in 2021. Definitely not. Don't even think about anything positive. Your 2021 card is like little disturbing, but 2022 and 23 seems to be very good for you. As it is, COVID is going on. No chemical. Satyalala ka card I have read. 1 minute. Sakshi Pinchkori, Babita, I read. Purva, you are there. Ruchita, Pratibha. Now, which acha? Ankita Mishra, I'll take your question. I have a crush on Rudra, but I'll just give you the answer. Ankita Mishra, I have a crush on Rudra. I want to know his feelings for me too. I want to know if something can happen between us ahead in, if wait or move on. Let's see your cards again. Ankita, 1 second. I'm doing your reading only. Should move on. Wait. Ankita, your card suggests that you should wait. You definitely need to wait. Maybe 2022 के बाद or end of 2000 you'll see something positive. Okay, ma'am, I have Swagat. I have already Swagat. You have asked me. I have my competitive exams on. Swagat, I'm taking your this thing. I have my competitive exam in August, and I'm going to clear it or not. Yes, I give you the answer. It is yes. You're definitely going to clear it. I remember it very well. जसप्रीत मैम, जॉब को बताना, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही. Jaspreet, you want to know regarding your job. जॉब के बारे में आपको जानना है, आई विल लेट यू नो वेदर यू हैव एनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज और नॉट. Jasprit, you have to just wait for some time. Definitely you're going to get something new very fast. Okay, I think now like most of the questions I've already covered, and it's almost an hour now. Now I'll take these questions which I already have. Ria Jain, are you there? Your question was, when will I reconcile with my ex? Ria, your cards are very positive. Listen to the male person advice. Say around December to May, some good news you may get. Sneha Govekar, your answer is, will I be able to get rank in my CA foundation in exam around May 22? 99% yes. Sneha, your cards was so positive. If at all you are here, I'm going to be saving this video and putting it, so you can always go through it. Your cards were very positive and you will get something really good. So all the best, and please keep me updated regarding this. My name is Sheikh Kumar Sultana, and will I clear my judicial exam this September? Your cards were very positive. All the very best. Let's wait and watch, but cards are positive. If at all it is positive, please let me know. Nikita, your question was, when will I meet my soulmate? Yes, Nikita, very soon. You have wand card in your reading. By May, approximately by May, you should be getting something nice. So wait, and you will get positive thing. You will have to listen to some male advice also. Okay, an elderly person, whoever you listen to, will not guide you, will not misguide you. Sujata Sharma, I wanted to know about my career. Okay, you will have a good career and can see relationship card too. Listen to a female elderly person. You won't go wrong with her advice. Okay. Now, which is Kalpana Chaudhary, your question was, will I ever meet someone with whom I connect emotionally? You have the card of Page of Pentacles along with Cups. Both are related to relationship time spent, I would say around May 2022. Rishabh Jain, you asked me, when will I set my soulmate life partner? Very soon you will have sword card in your reading, and maybe early Feb you will be getting some positive news. Rishabh. Okay, Monica Arora, when will I be able to meet my soulmate? I'm a divorcee. Thank you. Hi Monica, your cards, you may meet somebody before 2022, next year. Suruchi Pilyana, Shyam Gupta, what is his feeling regarding love for me? We are in relationship. It is a deep love. He needs some time to get into some kind of decision. He is in no mood and confused about certain things. So you need to give him some time, and definitely he'll get back to you. Say around May, like few months more. Nagalakshmi, when will I get married? Not too early. Can get some news around 2023. Sorry Naga, your cards were like not that very great, but you have to wait till 2023. If you listen to some elderly female's advice, she will not go wrong. Shikanja here. My question is, love marriage possible till next year with family permission without any issue? Shika, I can read some cards saying you need to reciprocate your views very clearly in terms of financial issues. Maybe there is something what they are expecting, or something related to financial thing which you really need to sort it out, and after that is done you can proceed further. Right now I can see there is some rough things, like it may take time, but listen to your instinct and things will fall in place.